Good afternoon, everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful, beautiful day. I'm vlogging today. I do have some fun things that I want to share with you guys today. Kiva is back home now. She was staying with my parents because she got fixed on Monday. It is currently Saturday as I'm filming this. She's doing super well. Here she is. And then I saw her like a few hours after she got fixed, and she was definitely in pain for sure, but she was still like super lively and like happy to see me. The day after she was pretty sore, but then the day after that she was like jumping and like running around and being normal. And then when I went to go pick her up yesterday, it's like she never had surgery. It's crazy. And then her little incision is like this big, like it's tiny. And I'm just very happy that she is just doing so well. I think she's just very sleepy today. I don't know if she slept good last night. We're having a very chill day. It is raining cats and dogs outside, which I'm pretty okay with because I like the rain. But I want to show you a few things that I got in the mail. In my last vlog, if you saw that, I have it linked right up here if you haven't seen it. It is me decorating for fall. I said that I was going to get a couple of these like potion bottles, and they did arrive today. So I want to show you those. Like, hello? Look at these. Look how cute. This one is a black cat. Hisses. Love her. They're ceramic as well. I thought they were going to be plastic, and I thought they were going to be like much bigger. I thought they were going to be like this tall, but I actually love the fact that they're pretty small. And then here's one that says Witch's Brew. So freaking cute. I love that one. And then this one is probably one of my favorites. I love this one. I love the label. It says Poison Unfiltered, which is great. Very cute. And then I just put it on this area. In my last video, I had another pumpkin sitting here, but I had to move it just because I didn't think it looked very good. But I think these little potion bottles being here looks adorable, so we'll keep this there. Here's the other little pumpkin, and I don't know what to do with it because I have the three over here. I don't know what to do with this one. It's kind of like a loner. Maybe I'll put it like... Maybe I'll just put it in here just to have a tiny little bit of fall Halloween decor in the bedroom. Yeah, that'll work. This is my birth control. Also, I want to do a little unboxing with you because I got this box right here, and this is from Kill James Patrick. If you can see that right there. And I love the Kill James Patrick sweaters. So is this focused? Of course I can never tell, and now I'm like too far away. I want to show you this because I'm excited about it. So there was a sweater that I got last year. It was like a green sweater and it had leaves on it, like fall leaves. And I like it a lot. I wore it a lot last year. But then they came out with two different colors of the same sweater. So they had like a tan color and they had brown or something. They were very like neutral tones, like a tan and a beige. Anyways, long story short, I got another one of these, and I got it in the tan because I really liked this one. That's the one that I got last year. Really nice. I like it a lot. And this is the one I got this year. And they always say to go down a size in these because they run pretty big. Oh, I got a sticker. Actually, I've been putting all my stickers on my pressure pot. I'm so upset. The first pressure pot I had was from Harbor Freight and it did not work for me. I don't like it. So I ended up having to get another pressure pot, which actually works, but I put my coolest stickers on the Harbor Freight one and I don't think I can get them off, and I'm so upset because I put the coolest stickers on the Harbor Freight one thinking that it was gonna work and it just doesn't. So anyways, I got this sticker. Anyways, I'm excited for the sweater. I think that's the biggest thing that counts, honestly. But I'm really into it. Like, I might just go ahead and put it on right now. So, excuse me. And ta-da! I like it. I think it's really cute. That's it for now. Oh, actually, no, it's not, because I got a couple more things to show you, so hold on. This is one of the other things that I wanted to show you. It's so freaking cute. So this is actually a journal. I got this from a brand called the Quirky Cup Collective. She's an Australian brand. She's on Instagram as well, and she's just the cutest thing. She does these journals. She did like a 2022 planner, and she has like tarot cards. Her entire vibe is like, you know, zodiac and whimsical, ethereal, tarot, stuff like that. It's lined, and the sides, like the actual like pages, have like gold foiling around the edge. Freaking stunning. And I'm going to be using this to write down my dice recipes. I've already got a couple of them in there, but I haven't made dice for that long, so I mean, I don't have that many. And I also got this Rick and Morty huge giant mouse pad that I've already got stains on, so I love that. That's pretty much it. And then I did get a couple of really cool stickers from Quirky Cup Collective as well. I had to, they were so cool. This one says "You Are Magic," and it's like a little book stack. Of course I had to get a zodiac tarot card. I don't do tarot or anything like that. I don't do tarot readings or anything like that, but I know people that do, and I just loved the sticker. Like, I just loved the look of the sticker, and of course I am a Gemini, so I have to rep my own sun sign, so I'm super excited about it. I do have some dice in a lead pressure pot right now. Focus. I genuinely hate this camera. If you ever need a camera, this is the Canon G7X Mark III, not II, but Mark III. Don't get it. It's absolutely terrible. I don't like this camera at all. The focus is abysmal. It is so bad. It takes so long to focus, and then even when it's focused, it like loses focus and then has to refocus. It is just a pain in the ass to deal with, and I would not recommend this camera at all if you're doing videos. If you're doing pictures, it could be better. I don't really use it for pictures all that often, so I can't really tell you there. But for videos, it's horrible. Would not recommend. But what I would recommend is listening to me ramble about how I pre-ordered the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I did pre-order it yesterday. It literally became available for pre-order yesterday, and I did it. Now, do I have a perfectly good iPhone 12 Pro Max that I got not even a year ago? Yes, I definitely do. Do I need an iPhone 13 Pro Max? No, I definitely do not. Did I still pre-order it? You bet your bottom dollar. Honestly, I just love the fact that I can upgrade every year. That's mostly why I even have an iPhone. Actually, I love iPhones, but I still like Androids too. Like, I like all kinds of phones. I'm very techie and I'm very into all the phones. But the reason why I keep getting iPhones is because I can upgrade every year and get the new one. And I will say there have been some pretty freaking good updates to this iPhone 13 Pro Max, to be specific. Like the iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max have the best of it, in my opinion, but the screens are insane. Like, I'm so excited about it. If you haven't seen the Apple event, like the announcement, then totally go watch that if you're even into stuff like this. But they're gonna be up to 120 hertz refresh rate, and I'm so freaking jazzed about that. So that's gonna be great. And then the cameras as well, they've included a ultra wide lens, and now the regular wide lens can do macro. Like, I love how I bought a separate macro lens to go onto this phone, and then iPhone comes out and says, oh, by the way, the new iPhone 13s are gonna have macro. Of course, that would happen, but that's okay. I got the iPhone 13 Pro Max in the silver. I did get it in 256 gigabyte because that is what this one is right here, and I checked how much data or how much storage that I still have on it, and I've only used 86 gigs out of 256. I am one of those people that if I don't need something, I get rid of it. I delete it. If I don't need pictures, about 3 times a year, I will go through my camera roll and I will delete everything I don't want. Videos, pictures, anything like that, I will delete something that I don't want. I get rid of shit very quickly. So I did not need like a terabyte. But it's cool that they offer it though. I also have that new Sierra blue color. It's like a powder baby blue. That one looks very nice as well. And then my mom will be taking over this phone. I'm getting the new phone. Mom's gonna take over this phone. And that's pretty much it for now. That's all I had to show you. That was all the fun things. I don't know if I'm going to make this one vlog today or if I'm going to split it into 2 days. I haven't fully decided yet, but if something else interesting happens today, I'll let you know. If not, then I'll see you tomorrow. Wow, the lighting is just wonderful. Good morning. Hi, it's the next day. Now is the lighting a little bit better? It's very yellow. I don't know, I'll fix it later. But hi, good morning again. Well, it's not really morning anymore, it's noon. Good afternoon. As you saw earlier, I was making my tea and now I'm all dressed and ready for the day because me and my parents are gonna go get Mexican food today. I'm super excited about it. It's raining like crazy and Kiva refuses to go to the bathroom. She's like one of those dogs that like refuses to go outside when it's raining. She's like, what is this wetness? Make it be gone from me. And it's really frustrating because she pooped on the carpet earlier because she refused to poop outside, and I'm just like, yeah, like you can't do that. But it's okay, it's fine, she's cool. I did my makeup today. I'm very excited about it. I used, no one cares. But yeah, I did do it. It's been a long time since I've done it. But I'm gonna head to my parents' house and I will see you when I get there. Hello everyone, I'm back home now and I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I'm pretty much just going to take a shower and chill and hang out and get ready for bed. But I hope that you enjoyed the vlog. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and subscribe if you want to. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. I do post here daily. But yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!